Why does a tiny magnet stick to your refrigerator door? Here's the surprising part. The refrigerator door isn't normally a giant magnet. So what makes the magnet stick? The steel in the door contains tiny magnetic regions called domains. Normally, they're not all lined up, so their magnetic effects mostly cancel out. But when you bring a magnet close, its magnetic field causes those regions in the steel to respond and align. That creates an attraction between the magnet and the steel. And that's why your tiny fridge magnet can stay stuck to the door. The magnet doesn't need to turn the whole fridge into a permanent magnet. Follow Daily Curiosity for more amazing facts.